How to fix Do Not Disturb in iPhone. When the Do Not Disturb function is not working on your iPhone, then here are several possible ways to fix. The first thing to do is to check your Do Not Disturb setting. Go and tap Open Settings app from your iPhone and then tap on Focus. Inside the Do Not Disturb function, make sure that you've allowed calls and notifications from the people and apps you want. Make sure that none of the notifications are silenced, and once you tap on the Allow option, you might be able to fix your issue. If it still doesn't work, then the next thing to do is to turn off repeated calls. When your Do Not Disturb mode is on, phone calls, text, and other app alerts are muted. But someone can still contact you if they call several times. So now, in order to turn off the repeated calls on your device, go back to the Do Not Disturb option and make sure that the button right next to Allow Repeated Calls is turned off. Once you do that, you might be able to fix your issue. Another solution is to disable or adjust Do Not Disturb schedule. From the Do Not Disturb tab, scroll down and under Set a Schedule, go ahead and tap on the Add Schedule option and then select a schedule if you'd like to adjust or disable Do Not Disturb schedule. Select the time and set the time schedule according to your preference and tap on Done at the top right. Once you do that, you'll be able to fix Do Not Disturb on iPhone. If the mentioned steps doesn't help you to resolve your issue, the next thing to do is to restart your iPhone. Simply go ahead and press the power switch and slide the power button at the top of the screen. After you are done, reboot your system. After you are done switching your iPhone back on, go ahead and check if the Do Not Disturb is working back on your iPhone or not. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are not being able to use the Do Not Disturb function properly on your iPhone, or if it is simply not working. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.